Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I will share with you that my account on Amazon KDP was suspended. Now I started the low and no content book journey in the end of May 2021, right? And I started doing, I was playing around initially doing journals and stuff, very simple. And then I started doing the composition books, wide ruled and college ruled composition books, right? So my grandson, he is into Pokemon. So I decided to do some covers, designs with Pokemon characters, right? And you know what? Those books started to sell pretty well. So I started to do some posts on my Instagram. I created an Instagram account and started doing posts with the books that I created. So let me show you that account that I have right now. So this is my Instagram account. So I started to share my the books that I publish on this account, right? And let me show you what the books that I designed look like for the Pokemon. These are them here. And again, my grandson was so excited that I was doing this. I purchased one and I gave it to him. And he was even telling his friends, and hopefully we'll be able to print some and share it to his friends. But one day, again, like I said, this happened in around June 2021. I received an email from Amazon telling me that my account has been suspended. I got scared. I'm not going to lie, I got scared. And I'm saying, what did I do? And then I found out that these books with these characters, there's a trademark, license trademark, and I'm not supposed to use them unless I have a license, right? Now I got these images from a website where they said the images will I could use these images for commercial use, right? So I thought I was doing it. I was doing the right thing, but I should have. I'm not supposed to use that because I don't have the commercial rights to use these images on any product for sale. So Amazon suspended my account. Now what I had to do was, they said was that I had to respond to their email just saying that this was not going to happen again, and that I had to remove these books off my bookshelf. Now prior to all of this, let me show you when I did this post. I got a message on this particular post that I did here. This person, before all of this happened, this person, let me see if I can get the thing to come up properly. Okay, so when I did this post, I got this message from this person is saying, if you're selling these books on Amazon, you're going to get copyright strikes against your account, and they will ban you. Just a heads up. So my response was, yes, I'm selling these on Amazon. Why would I get a copyright strike? They approved the books plus the clip arts has commercial use, right? And then they responded to me again and said, if you're using Amazon, if you're using KDP, sometimes they approve books without really checking, and later on give you a copyright strike. I'm not sure where you purchased the Pokemon artwork, but unless you're licensing the characters in an official capacity, it's illegal to sell these. Just a heads up, so you don't find yourself getting a cease to desist letter. Well, I ignored this person, and soon afterwards I got the letter from Amazon. But anywho, I followed the instructions. I responded to the email that I received from them and telling them that I would desist from doing these sort of things. And right away I removed these books from my bookshelf. They're still there, but in draft mode. When the books are published, you can't really delete them, but just unpublish them, sort of thing. But they'll still be on my bookshelf, right? So they're still there, but they're not available for sale. So, and again, I was getting sales. Sales was going pretty good. I think in preparation for school, the new school year, people were buying the books, So I just wanted to share with you to be aware of things like this. And like I said, it was into my second month, just fresh into this no and low content book publishing, to have my account suspended, So that was really, something that I need to share and to be aware of, and so yeah, just share my story today. Again, I have been publishing books on Amazon for a little while, but I have been using the platform for about 4 or 5 years. So the books, I started doing non-fiction books and got into no and low content books May 2021. So on my sales reports and stuff, you will be seeing a mixture of the non-fiction books and the income from no and low content books. Everything's kind of mixed up at this point, you know. So, all right, share my journey with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.